we've got a range of Fluke products here, where I would like to walk you through with this product how to make sure that these products are genuine and how to see that what contains in this product so that you can easily identify that these are the ones which you should buy, and beware of the duplicate products available in Fluke. So how it works is, I've got a list of Fluke products. These are the products which are actually required for the engineers, field engineers in factories and applications where this Fluke distance laser meter or the multimeter or the clampmeter comes in the uses. I'll just try to unbox one of these Fluke meter to show you how this works. So before you open this, you need to be very sure about the hologram over here. The second thing what you have to see is the price. And of course, you also have the QR code available on the box, which takes you to the genuine Fluke site. To open this, you just have to open this way, and you see with the packaging you can understand this Fluke product. This comes with a pouch also. Comes with the Fluke product here. Now this is the laser distance meter. Comes with a pouch. Hand strap. Instruction manual. Charger and a battery. It also has an instruction manual in different languages with a QC certificate which says it is pass. So these are the documents which you can see in the product if you get a laser distance meter. Coming to the True RMS multimeter, it will be having this kind of packaging. You can open this with cutter, and you can find that these are all placed over there. Since it's a transparent case, you can very well see what is available inside. However, I just wanted to show you that the packaging will have this Fluke products placed like this. This is how it will be placed. It also has instruction manual and a calibration certificate provided. This has got the test leads also. We also have some True RMS meter with Wi-Fi. So the same RMS meter with the Wi-Fi connectivity comes in this kind of box. Should you require, you can open this by doing an unboxing, and you see in the hologram, if you see, it will be written as genuine warranty in India only if it is for India, and for international it will be showing for that respective country. So this is how it will be placed. You can just open it. This is what you get in the box. Comes in a pouch. With a test lead section inside the box itself. here's a test lead. So there ends the Fluke part. We also got some multimeters, clampmeters, which are very similar packaging. So that is how you can see whether the product is genuine. And I hope this video will help you to understand the ranges of the Fluke product. And we have variety of products available in Fluke product, which the engineer might have to choose from. You can always reach our experts at Instrukart and find the right product for your application. Thanks for watching.